inside a food processing factory.
Buddy, we've just received an order for cucumber. We should start slicing it.
Got it. I'll do it now. Let's run the machine.
Keep slicing, buddy. Our veggie slicing machine is so awesome.
How to build the automatic slicing machine. Number 1. Feeding mechanism. Step 1. Build the guiding rail. Add the gear. Add the tread links so the clamp can slide back and forth. Step 2. Build the clamp. Connect to the battery box. Testing. Number 2. Slicing mechanism. First, I'll build the slicing unit. Step 2. Connect slicing unit to support legs. I'll use this blade from a box cutter for my machine. Add the battery box. The tomato. I'll build another machine to push this tomato slice out. Number 3. Ejecting mechanism. To start, I'll build the motor frame. Add the conveyor rail. Next, let's build the base structure. The ejecting mechanism has done. Now, connect 3 components together. My automatic slicing machine has completed.
Wow, more orders are coming in.
Don't worry, I'll handle them fast. Let's slice up the sweet potato and carrot this time.
How awesome! The orders are almost done. Just 1 potato left now, buddy.
Huh? But it looks so tough.
I delivered more potatoes.
What should we do now?
We're here to witness the thrilling off-road race between our top 3 officers for the prestigious trophy. With 3 vehicles and 2 terrains, this race will be a real challenge. Now, let's choose your vehicle.
I'll choose the round shape. So curious.
You've just got Crab Walk Truck, Alex.
I'm ready for the challenge.
Round 1, Orbeez Pool.
These Orbeez are bigger than I thought.
Crab Walk Truck, Cass.
How to build the crab walk truck. Build the crab claws. Add the gears. Add the motor. Add the battery box. Testing.
I'll take the square one.
Me, the triangle.
I'm gonna win.
The trophy is mine.
Bella, it's your turn.
What an easy game for me.
Underwater car, fail.
How could that be?
Your turn, David.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh yeah! My wheels can easily roll over the Orbeez.
Yeah! Shrimp walk truck. Pass. Round 2, rocks and sand. Alex, this is your chance to be the champion.
Rocky Road is no joke.
Oh
My car can't move at all.
Crab walk truck failed. Here's your last chance, Bella.
no! I must be very careful. Oh
Underwater car failed.
What a tough challenge.
Yeah!
Come on, just a little more. I'm gonna make it.
Shrimp walk truck pass. Our best officer today is David.
Welcome to the fishing competition, where fishing enthusiasts will test their skills. Who will emerge victorious today?
Victory is mine.
no! No one can beat me.
Good luck to all the contestants.
Level 1. Sport fishing.
Nothing can stop me.
Oh yeah!
That's great.
It's impossible.
How to build the fishing machine. Step 1. Build the spinning board. Step 2. Build the motor housing. Install the gear. Step 3. Install the fish pieces. Each fish pieces has a magnetic pellet in its mouth. Let's attach the fish to the hole that has been prepared. Connect to the battery box. Testing the spinning board. Great, it works really smoothly. I have created 2 more spinning boards. Step 4. Set up the fishing machine. I will use a fishing rod to catch these fish.
I give up.
Time's up. I'll check the results right now. Wow, that's really surprising. Congratulations to Alex for catching 7 fish.
Oh yeah!
And Tony, who has caught all the fish. It's a shame Lisa hasn't caught any fish yet. Now let's move on to the next round.
Level 2. Professional fishing.
Let's see who is a good fisherman.
I will definitely be the winner. Come on, come on. Great, the fish has taken the bait. Oh no, nothing but seaweed.
Your fishing rod is too small to catch the fish. Watch my performance. Great. You lost.
No way. Modern fishing rod. Fish cannot escape.
Oh yeah!
Now, the real battle begins.
Oh yeah!
Wonderful.
Have all the fish escaped?
Look what I've got, per you.
Are you kidding me?
You are really mean.
Oh my God, they have violated the rules. Today, we don't have the winner.
A river in the forest.
We're at the research area, buddy. The river here is severely polluted. I'll go down and take a water sample.
How to build the water cleaning machine. Step 1. Build the truck body. I have assembled 2 identical parts. The legs. The battery box. The motors. The tray. Step 2. Build the conveyor belts. The tread links. The first conveyor belt is done. I will build the second conveyor belt. The tread links. The second conveyor belt is done. Step 3. Connect all components. Connect to the battery box. Water cleaning machine is ready. The duckweed are being carried up the conveyor and falling into the trash tray. The cleaning truck can turn around and continue collecting trash from the other corner of the river. All the trash has been removed.
The river is clean, buddy. Let's take another sample.
Highway underpass construction site.
Everyone, let's start building an underpass for this intersection.
It's time to get started.
Excavator, dig up the soil and sand.
How to build the excavator. Step 1. Build the arm assembly. Add the linear actuator. Add the bucket. This linear actuator will help the excavator arm move up and down. Step 2. Build the truck body. The motor. Add the tread sprocket wheels. Add the track links. Next, I'll build the cabin for the truck. Connect to the battery box. Step 3. Connect the arm to the body. Testing with Orbeez.
The dump truck is here.
Guys, we need to finish this underpass before the sunset.
The drill excavator has finished drilling the tough soil.
How to build the drill excavator. Step 1. Build the truck chassis. The motor. Add the tread sprocket wheels. Next, I'll build the cabin. And also, a lifting mechanism for the truck too. The motor. Add the linear actuator. Attach the lifting mechanism to the cabin. Add the track links. Step 2. Build the drill bit. Step 3. Connect two parts. Testing with kinetic sand.
Amazing, this soil has been completely softened. The tough dirt has been handled.
Now it's time for the concrete pouring. We'll use the soil to make the concrete.
I'll mix this batch right away.
I've transported the reinforcement mesh here.
The concrete is ready. I've done my job, boss.
How to build the concrete mixer truck? Step 1. Build the front chassis. Steering wheel. Add the wheels. Add the battery box. Step 2. Build the rear chassis. The motor. Add the wheels. Connect 2 parts. Install the mixer drum. The concrete mixer truck is complete. The underpass is complete. Vehicles are now flowing smoothly through this intersection.
Our city is so modern.